Hi everyone, Ben from LatinTutorial here. In my last video, I shared all of the new features added to LatinTutorial.com since it launched publicly in January. In this video, I want to show you why LatinTutorial is the perfect tool for students and teachers of AP Latin. First off, LatinTutorial.com includes every required reading from the AP Latin syllabus, both the selections from Pliny's letters and all the excerpts from Vergil's Aeneid. Each passage comes with complete and accurate vocabulary and fully parsed syntax. That means with just a click, you can check the tense or mood of a verb, the case of a noun, and more. You can even use the color coding feature to visualize cases, making Latin's inflections easier to manage while you build your reading fluency. You can also view vocabulary lists for each section, filter them in different ways, and add custom notes or translations for future reference. Many sections include video tutorials to walk you through what's happening in the Latin, and I'll be adding more videos throughout the year. After reading a section, though, I recommend reviewing the vocabulary, or practicing noun and verb forms, and testing your comprehension with a few targeted questions. The new AP Latin syllabus also includes optional readings, and LatinTutorial has you covered. Explore additional selections from authors like Catullus, Sulpicia, Eutropius, or even revisit Caesar's Gallic Wars. As always, you'll get full vocab support, and many of these also include parsed syntax. And this year, my own class will read a bit of Eutropius' history about Pliny's era and Emperor Trajan, and then explore some alternative passages from the Aeneid. I'm also planning to expand the reading library, so stay tuned. The updated AP Latin syllabus includes a 1,000-word vocabulary list, and you can find this list under the Lists section on LatinTutorial, so you can filter it in various ways, mark which words you've mastered or need to review, and use it for focused vocabulary practice. Or, for a more powerful option, use Infinitas, LatinTutorial's spaced repetition tool, a research-backed method for long-term retention. Just choose AP Latin as your source, and Infinitas will guide you step by step in building mastery of those 1,000 words. Need to review your grammar? LatinTutorial's full library of ad-free language videos is right there, perfect for brushing up on topics you'll see on the exam or need while reading Latin. You might also want to check out my 91 Rules of Latin Grammar, a fast way to revisit all the basics. And if you're a teacher, you can give your students full access for as little as $3 per student for the year. Assign videos, readings, or activities and track their progress, whether they're in AP Latin or just starting out. You can integrate LatinTutorial across multiple years too, allowing students to build and track their skills over time. I use LatinTutorial with my own students, so I design every feature with real classrooms in mind. And this year, it will be my primary tool for AP Latin, and I think it can be yours too. And whether you're a student or a teacher of AP Latin, I hope you'll find that LatinTutorial.com is exactly what you need.